Imagine a world where you could send money anywhere instantly, without needing a bank, or track your food from farm to plate, ensuring its safety and origin. This is the promise of blockchain, a revolutionary technology changing how we share and secure information. Blockchain is like a digital ledger, but instead of being kept in one place, it's shared across a network of computers. This distributed system ensures transparency and security, making it nearly impossible to alter or tamper with the data. Think of it like a public record, but instead of being on paper, it's digital and spread across the globe. This unique architecture makes blockchain incredibly secure and resistant to fraud, opening up a world of possibilities. To understand blockchain, imagine a shared notebook that everyone can see and write in. Each page of this notebook is a block, and every time someone adds new information, it's like writing on a new page. Once a page is full, it's added to the notebook permanently, linked to the previous page by a unique code. This linking process creates a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Each block contains a timestamp, data from the previous block, and a unique code called a hash. This hash acts like a fingerprint, ensuring that any changes to the block will be immediately obvious to everyone on the network. What makes blockchain so secure? It's the combination of cryptography and decentralization. Each block is linked to the previous one through its unique hash, creating an unbreakable chain. If someone tries to alter information in a block, they would have to change the hash of that block and every block that comes after it. This task would be computationally impossible due to the sheer number of blocks and the distributed nature of the network. Furthermore, since the blockchain is distributed across many computers, there's no single point of failure. Even if one computer fails, the rest of the network continues to operate, ensuring the data's integrity. Section 4. Decentralization, power to the people. Unlike traditional databases controlled by a central authority, blockchain is decentralized. This means that no single entity owns or controls the network. Instead, the data is distributed across many computers, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. This distributed nature also makes blockchain highly resilient. Even if one part of the network goes down, the rest can continue to operate. This makes blockchain ideal for applications where trust and transparency are paramount, such as financial transactions, supply chain management, and digital identity verification. Section 5. Blockchain beyond Bitcoin. A world of possibilities. While blockchain is most commonly associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, its potential applications extend far beyond digital currency. Imagine a world where you could track the origin and journey of your food from farm to table, ensuring its safety and ethical sourcing. Or a system where medical records are securely stored and accessible only with your permission. Blockchain can revolutionize voting systems, making them more secure and transparent. It can streamline supply chains, reducing inefficiencies and fraud. It can even transform how we verify identities, making online interactions safer and more trustworthy. The possibilities are limited only by our imagination.